In this video, we will explore the advanced text replacement functions in Excel, substitute and replace. These functions are essential tools for cleaning, transforming, and manipulating text data efficiently. Let's discuss the key differences between the substitute and replace functions. The substitute function replaces specific text content wherever it appears in a string, whereas the replace function replaces text based on its character position within the string. Here is the syntax for the substitute function. The formula is equal to substitute, open parenthesis text, comma, old underscore text, comma, new underscore text, comma, open square bracket, instance underscore number, close square bracket, close parenthesis. Text refers to the original text string you want to modify. Old underscore text is the text you want to find and replace. New underscore text is the replacement text. Instance underscore number is an optional argument that specifies which occurrence of the old underscore text you want to replace. If omitted, all occurrences are replaced. Let's see a couple of examples of using the substitute function. First, the formula equals substitute, open parenthesis, double quote, hello world, double quote, comma, double quote, world, double quote, comma, double quote, Excel, double quote, close parenthesis. This replaces all occurrences of world with Excel, resulting in hello Excel. Next, equals substitute, open parenthesis, double quote, apple hyphen banana, double quote, comma, double quote, apple, double quote, comma, double quote, orange, double quote, comma, 2 close parenthesis. This replaces only the second occurrence of apple, resulting in apple hyphen orange hyphen banana. Here is the syntax for the replace function. The formula is equals replace, open parenthesis, old underscore text, comma, start underscore number, comma, number underscore characters, comma, new underscore text, close parenthesis. Old underscore text is the original text you want to modify. Start underscore number is the position of the first character you want to replace. Number underscore characters is the number of characters you want to replace. New underscore text is the replacement text. Let's look at a couple of examples of using the replace function. First, equals replace, open parenthesis, double quote, hello world, double quote, comma, 7, comma, 5, comma, double quote, Excel, double quote, close parenthesis. This replaces 5 characters starting at position 7, resulting in hello Excel. Next, equals replace, open parenthesis, double quote, 1, 2, 3, hyphen 4, 5, 6, hyphen 7, 8, 9, 0, double quote, comma, 1, comma, 3, comma, double quote, asterisk, 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 double quote, close parenthesis. This replaces the first 3 characters with asterisks, resulting in asterisk, 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 hyphen, 4, 5, 6, hyphen, 7, 8, 9, 0. Here is when to use each function. Use the substitute function when you know the exact text to replace but not its position. Use the replace function when you know the exact position and length of the text you want to replace. Master both the substitute and replace functions for powerful text cleaning and data manipulation in Excel. Use substitute for content-based replacement and replace for position-based replacement. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.